Today we will be making grilled chicken a la El Pollo Loco style. And the sponsor for our video today is Vinchef. It's a 13-inch grilling pan and it's a non-stick one. So I'm gonna be showing you how to unbox this one, and of course we will be using this. Okay, now we will unbox this. And here is our grilling pan. Oh, it looks good. Thank you, Vinchef. I really appreciate it. Just have to remove the plastic cover. And as you can see, it has protection too on the side. Okay. Wow, it's really good. You can see the quality to it, and it's really nice. It's very beautiful. Okay, let's start cooking now. First, we have here our chicken. It's leg and thigh. Okay, we got like 6 leg and thighs here. We washed this one already, and of course our hands are clean, so we will marinate it by using 1 cup of orange juice. Okay, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Adds color to our chicken, so it will look delicious and yummy. Okay, next we will put 1 teaspoon of cumin. Mix it or rub it well to our chicken. Okay, cumin adds flavor to our chicken. Okay, next we will put in 1 teaspoon of black pepper, we will put in 2 teaspoons of salt, and rub it well to our chicken. put in our calamansi, like 6 pieces of calamansi juice. Okay, we make sure that we remove the seed. Okay, we will just mix this well. Alright, we will marinate this one for 24 hours. We will cover this one with plastic and put it in the fridge. Okay, so here's our marinated chicken for 24 hours. Okay, now we will grill it using our Vinchef grilling pan. Okay. We did preheated this one for like 3 minutes already. Of course, we wash it first before preheating it. Okay. Now we will put in our chicken. Skin down first. Cooking oil with Anato seeds, just to add color to it. For like 15 minutes on each side. This one is really nice because you're grilling inside the house. And I'm gonna turn the pan on. We will put on some oil. 10 to 15 minutes. When it's done on one side, and flip it or turn it to the other side, so it will be fully cooked on both sides. So we did flip it, and as you can see, there is the grilled marks already on our chicken, and we're gonna brush it with some oil again with Anato coloring. Fully cooked. Alright. Okay. Make sure you fold the chicken with a knife so it will be fully cooked on the inside. Flip it again on the other side because you don't want it to be burned, and then you will cook it again with a knife, so at least it will be cooked all the way through. It's charred, so it's like we grilled it but in one. And here is our finished product, our grilled chicken a la El Pollo Loco. Hope you like this, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. If you want to order Vinchef, I put the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. Bye.